Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi friends, my name is Manish Bhuvad. I am studying in Zeal Polytechnic Pune. My branch is Electrical Diploma. My micro project is Prepare on Single Phase Welding Transformer. My group member is Manish Bhuvad, Harshad Allat, Tejas Agav. Let's see our micro project. See the image of welding transformer. Specification of welding transformer is an AC welding arc. The current remains nearly sinusoidal while the voltage is distorted. Considering the transition point M indicate the voltage required to strike an arc, the line during which the voltage rise from 0 to the voltage sufficient from re-ignition of arc is termed as the arc recovery time on the arc voltage transistors. It is denoted by if the arc is to be steady at quiet. The time Y should be as short as possible because otherwise during the interviewing interval the cathode might become too cold to emit abruptly. Number of electrons and ions to reignite and sustain the arc. One way to reduce T1 is to raise the open circuit voltage of the welding power source as a evident voltage curve 2 has lower peak value than the voltage curves 2 with curve 1. The arc striking voltage is E and the arc recovery time is T1. In the case of curve 2 with the same re-ignition voltage E, the arc recovery time T2 is considerably longer than T. For maintaining a sustained AC arc, the welding circuit should contain an inductance, which would produce a phase difference between the voltage and current transistors of the order of 0 to 35 to 0 to 45. When welding with low current, the cathode loses more heat than when welding with high currents. Therefore, in the former case, the arc recovery time should be as short as possible. For example, with a current of 160 to 250 amperes, an arc is radially initiations when the transformer has an open circuit voltage of 55 to 60 volt, while with small current say 60 to 70 ampere, then no load voltage of the transformer should be 70 to 80 volts. However, is an increase in the open circuit voltage may endanger the welder safety and impair the power factor. Arc voltage open circuit voltage of the welding transformer is therefore imperative to keep the open circuit voltage as low as possible within the applied constraint. See the basic type of welding transformer. First, the high reactance type. Second, the external reactance types. Third, the integral reactor types. See the diagram of basic type of welding transformer. Application of the welding transformer are used in AC machines to change alternating current from the power line into a low voltage. High amperage current is secondary winding. A combination of primary and secondary taps on the welding transformer are commonly used to provide a micro adjustment of the welding current as well as adjustment of secondary voltage. Transformer rating for AC machine are expressed in kVA, kilovolt amperes. For a specified duty cycle, this duty cycle rating is a thermal rating and indicates the amount of energy that the transformer can deliver from a starter percentage of specific timing period, usually 1 minute without exceeding its temperature ratings. The RMS short circuit secondary current specification indicates the maximum current then can be obtained from the transformer since heating is a function of the welding current. This parameter gives an indication of the thickness of the materials that can be welded. Cost: single phase welding transformer at rupees 5000 oblique piece. See the image. Features of transformer: it should have a dropping static volt ampere characteristic. Second, to avoid spatter, the surge of the welding current during a short circuit should be limited to the least possible above the normal arc weld current. Third, the open circuit voltage should not normally exceed 80 volts and in no case 100 volts. Fourth, the output current should be controllable continuously over the full available range. Fifth, the open circuit voltage should be just sufficiently high for ready initiation of an arc and not too high to impair the economics of welding. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.